Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by ensuring the app declares location permissions and includes the location library so APIs are available. Request runtime permission immediately when the feature is used. Explain why. Modern Android blocks sensitive access until the user consents. Once done, check self-permission and guide the user to settings if denied permanently. Make sure to model both precise, fine, and approximate coarse needs so you only ask for what the feature requires. This reduces friction and improves privacy compliance. Now you obtain the position. Instantiate Fused Location Provider Client and call getLastLocation to return a cached fix quickly. If the result is null or older than your threshold, request location updates with a location request configured for priority and intervals. Explain why. Cached fixes save time and power, while updates ensure fresh coordinates. Once you receive a location, convert to latitude/longitude, handle timestamps, and optionally reverse geocode. Make sure to stop updates when you no longer need continuous tracking to conserve battery. Finish by implementing background behavior correctly. If you need continuous tracking, start a foreground service with a notification so Android won't kill your process. Explain why. Background restrictions vary by OEM and API level, so foreground is reliable. Once the service runs, subscribe to location updates and persist coordinates safely. If something goes wrong, first check permission state, device location toggle, battery optimization, and play services. These are the most common causes, and resolving them usually restores location functionality.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.